In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML in Notion, and we'll be doing that in just about 5 minutes. Trust me, it's a straightforward process that will open up a whole new set of possibilities for your Notion pages. To get started, you'll first want to go to Notion. Navigate to it by opening your browser and using your preferred method to access the platform. Once you're logged in and ready to go, the next step is to open the specific Notion page where you'd like to embed your HTML content. If you haven't created a page yet or need a specific space for this HTML content, you might want to set that up first. Now that you're on the correct Notion page, look to the left side of your screen and locate the plus icon. It might be a little button, but it holds a lot of power. Clicking on this will open up a host of options for adding various types of content blocks. In this search bar that appears, type in Embed, and you'll see the Embed option pop up. Go ahead and click that to add an embed block to your page. Next, in this newly created embed block, it's time to paste your HTML code. This is the core part of embedding HTML into your Notion page. Open up your source code from wherever you have it saved, maybe in a text editor, and copy it. Switch back to Notion and simply paste this code right into the block. Be sure that your HTML code is correct, as this will ensure that it renders accurately. With your HTML code added to the embed block, there's one more action needed to make your widget viewable and usable. You'll need to click on the Embed Link button. This is not just a confirmation. It is an essential step that tells Notion to process and render the HTML content you've just added. After you hit Embed Link, you should see the widget appear right on your page, looking just as you expected. Embedding HTML in Notion isn't just about aesthetics. It can serve various functions like adding custom content, tools, or interactive elements that are useful for your projects, workflows, or collaborations. Whether you're a pro at using HTML or just dabbling, incorporating this step into your Notion experience can enhance your productivity and presentation. And that's it, folks. Now you know how to embed HTML in Notion in just a few quick steps. Take some time to experiment and see what creative implementations you can come up with using this method. Thanks for following along. And don't forget to explore more of our tutorials for tips and tricks on optimizing your Notion workspace. Happy Notioning!